In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer Bitcoin from MoonPay to another wallet. So moving Bitcoin to another wallet is really fast and secure with MoonPay. So the first thing that you will have to do is, once you've logged into your MoonPay account, is make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio so that you will be able to actually access all of its features and see them. And yeah, once you make sure that all of these are all set up, you will just have to look for the Send Crypto feature, and then you will just have to click that, and then you will select Bitcoin like this. So yeah, this is what you should see if you do have that option. And once you click Bitcoin, you will just have to paste the recipient wallet address or scan QR code, and then you will enter your desired amount and then review the fees and then click confirm. And after that, you will just have to complete the verification if prompted, and then you will wait for the blockchain confirmation, and the Bitcoin should now be successfully transferred. And by the way, you should always verify addresses, and once sent, the Bitcoin cannot be recovered if sent to the wrong wallet. So yeah, make sure to keep that in mind. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.